Hi there.
Hi everybody, we're going to do some Easter songs this morning. And we'll start with an old favourite called I'm a Spring Chicken. One mother hen sat on 4 little eggs, keeping them warm in a little egg nest. Then one day she heard a crack, and a little voice said as the egg was hatched, I'm a spring chicken, I'm yellow and small, feathers are fluffy and they're keeping me warm. My legs are not long, so I'll never be tall, but I'm a real spring chicken, now we're having a ball. Chicken, I'm a chicken, now we're having a ball. One mother hen sat on 3 little eggs, keeping them warm in a little egg nest. Then one day she fell asleep, and a little voice said in a whispered sweet, I'm a spring chicken, I'm yellow and small, feathers are fluffy and they're keeping me warm. My legs are not long, so I'll never be tall, but I'm a real spring chicken, I'm a having a ball. Chicken, I'm a chicken, I'm a having a ball. One mother hen sat on 2 little eggs, keeping them warm in a little egg nest. Then one day she moved about, and the little voice said as a chick popped out, I'm a spring chicken, I'm yellow and small, my feathers are fluffy and they're keeping me warm. My legs are not long, so I'll never be tall, but I'm a real spring chicken, I'm having a ball. Chicken, I'm a chicken, I'm having a ball. One mother hen sat on 1 little egg, keeping it warm in a little egg nest. Then one day she gave a sigh, and a little voice said, surprise, surprise, I'm a spring chicken, yellow and small, my feathers are fluffy and they're keeping me warm. My legs are not long, so I'll never be tall. I'm a real spring chicken, and I'm having a ball. Chicken, I'm a chicken, and I'm having a ball. I'm a spring chicken, I'm yellow and small, my feathers are fluffy and they're keeping me warm. My legs are not long, so I'll never be tall, but I'm a real spring chicken, and I'm having a ball. Chicken, I'm a chicken, I'm a having a ball. In 68 seconds, I'm going to try to explain to you what Easter is about and why we celebrate it and sing happy songs. And it's one of my happiest times of year because there's real hope in Easter for all of us. And it's a story of good news and bad news and good news. The good news was that God made a fantastic world.
And the bad news?
Evil came in and spoiled it, and it cut us off from knowing God.
But the good news?
God had a plan, and he sent his son Jesus to put things right.
Bad news.
It looked like his mission failed. Jesus was put to death on a cross, and he's buried in a tomb for 3 days with a huge stone rolled across the entrance. Now we call that Good Friday. Even though it's bad news he was dead, it's good because of what comes next.
Good news.
Those who followed Jesus found the stone that blocked the entrance had been rolled away. Jesus wasn't there. And later on, some people met the risen Jesus, and we call that the resurrection. And we celebrate this all over the world on Easter Sunday. So the good news is, and why we're happy at Easter, is that Jesus is alive and that we can come and meet him too. Now that calls for
celebration.
celebration. The chorus to this song is very simple. It's just good. Come on and celebrate, celebrate, celebrate and sing, celebrate and sing to the King. We soon begin. Come on and celebrate his gift of love. We will celebrate the Son of God who loved us and gave us life. We'll shout your praise, O King. You give us joy nothing else can bring. We'll give to you our offering in celebration praise. Ready? Come on and celebrate, celebrate, celebrate and sing. Celebrate and sing to the King. Come on and celebrate, celebrate, celebrate and sing. Celebrate and sing to the King. What's wrong? Going to celebrate. Come on and celebrate his gift of love. We will celebrate the Son of God who loved us and gave us life. We'll shout your praise, O King. You give us joy nothing else can bring. We'll give to you our offering in celebration praise. Come on and celebrate, celebrate, celebrate and sing. Celebrate and sing to the King. Come on and celebrate, celebrate, celebrate and sing. Celebrate and sing to the King. Hosanna, Hosanna, Hosanna in the highest. Hosanna, Hosanna, Hosanna in the highest. Lord, we lift up your name with our hearts full of praise. Be exalted, O Lord our God. Hosanna in the highest. Let's try that. Hosanna, Hosanna, Hosanna in the highest. Hosanna was a shout of praise. Hosanna. Hosanna, Hosanna, Hosanna in the highest. Hosanna, Hosanna, Hosanna in the highest. Lord, we lift up your name with our hearts full of praise. Be exalted, O Lord our God. Hosanna in the highest. Risen, he's risen, risen, he's risen. Glory to the King of Kings. Risen, he's risen. Glory to the King of Kings. Lord, we lift up your name with our hearts full of praise. Be exalted, O King of Kings. Glory to the King of Kings. Hosanna, 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 Hosanna in the highest. Hosanna, Hosanna, Hosanna in the highest. Lord, we lift up your name with our hearts full of praise. Be exalted, O Lord our God. Hosanna in the highest. Risen, he's risen. Risen, he's risen. Glory to the King of Kings. Risen, he's risen. Glory to the King of Kings. Lord, we lift up your name with our hearts full of praise. Be exalted, O Lord our God. Glory to the King of Kings. close the singing today by singing that Calypso blessing that we've learnt all last week, and some of you know well. May you find peace. May you find hope. One of the reasons that Jesus came and he died on Good Friday and rose again, as we've talked about, was to bring us peace and to bring us hope and to bring us rest and love. So this is like a little prayer as we close today. It's been great singing the past couple of weeks, and we'll see you all again shortly. May you find peace, may you find hope, may you find joy this day, may you find love, may you find rest here in this place together. May you find peace. May you find peace. May you find hope. May you find joy this day. May you find love. May you find rest here in this place together. Happy to care, happy to share, happy to share, happy to share one another's worries. That's why we're here. Happy to care, happy to share one another's worries. That's why we're here. See you soon.